Hello everyone, and welcome to Zeo Route Planner tutorials. In this video, we'll learn how to upload stops using an Excel spreadsheet and set stop priority directly from the sheet. By adding a stop priority column, you can define which stops should be completed as soon as possible using the ASAP option, while keeping others as normal priority. Let's see how this works. First, let's look at the Excel sheet structure required for uploading stops. Your spreadsheet should include the necessary columns such as address line, city, state, PIN code. To set stop priority from the spreadsheet, add a column called Stop Priority. In this column, you can define the priority of each stop. Use ASAP for high priority stops that should be completed as early as possible. Normal for regular stops that follow the optimized route order. For example, if a delivery must be completed earlier than others, simply mark its priority as ASAP in the sheet. Once your spreadsheet is ready, save it and return to the Zeo dashboard. Now let's upload the stops using an Excel sheet. Go to Stops tab. Click Upload Stops, then Browse Files. Click Proceed. During the upload process, Zeo will ask you to map the columns from your spreadsheet to the system fields. Once everything is verified, click Confirm Mapping. Review entries. And click Submit. After uploading, the stops will appear in the Stops section. Select all stops and click on Auto Optimize. Select all stops on the Stop Details page. This page gives you freedom to leave out any address from your uploaded Excel sheet. Click on Select Stops button. You are now directed to Driver Details page. Select Drivers and click on Assign Drivers. You will be directed to Route Details page. Here you can make changes to start and end location and start and end time along with the route title. Click on Save and Optimize. Here the software is optimizing the stops. Zeo will automatically assign drivers the stops according to the duration of the trip. Let me take you to the playground to view the optimized stops. Let us view if our stops were assigned priority correctly. Select the table view on the left. Here you see, stops marked as ASAP will be recognized by the system as high priority stops and come before stops marked as normal in priority. Stops marked as normal will follow the standard optimized route order. Now, let's look at another way to upload the same Excel file, this time directly for a specific driver. From the left taskbar, click the plus icon to create a route, then you will see Kickstart Your Day tab. Select Create Route button again from here. You will be directed to assign a driver here. Upload your Excel file by selecting Upload Stops option, select Browse Files. Click Proceed after you make sure the selected row contains the column header. Confirm the column mapping, ensuring all fields, including stop priority, are correctly assigned. Review the stops, then click Submit. This method allows you to directly assign all uploaded stops to a single driver while creating the route. Here you see stops have been uploaded in the order it was in the Excel sheet. Click Save and Optimize to allow Zeo Route Planner to optimize stops according to priority. On the playground, you see all stops are assigned to this driver according to priority order. On the playground, you see all stops are assigned to this driver according to priority order. Let me show you to view the table view. Here you see all stops marked as ASAP are prioritized compared to stops set as normal. And that's how you can upload stops using an Excel spreadsheet and set stop priority directly from the sheet in Zeo Route Planner. This method is especially useful when managing large numbers of stops, allowing you to quickly define priorities before uploading them to the system. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.